it must have cut off. I hope y'all caught it. But let's see. Alright guys, this is easy. This is easy as pie. And I just gotta figure out how to tune it. That'll be a video for another day. Long as I just get this thing installed, I'm happy. So, and I'm getting it installed. So that's alright with me. Okay, I got all the stuff properly installed. And you just gotta kind of push the wires back so you can have this sitting in there pretty flush. You gotta take these clips off because I don't think the screws will go all the way on. And the clips are in the way also. If I can get it off. Oh shoot, got it off. Oops, shoot. Oh, dang, my bad. Okay, alright. Man, I'm gonna be playing with this thing. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh shoot, this thing might be too long. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, gotta switch this around. Sometimes you probably gonna have to play with the bracket because the bracket can be confusing on which way that it goes. So I pushed it all the way back and it wasn't reaching, so now I have to flip it so that it'll reach. There we go. Flip, flip. Alright, let's try to flush this thing back. Dang, it's still not going? What the hell? Okay, so I'm guessing I probably don't need this bracket. It's probably just gonna sit. Probably don't need it. Well, as long as it's in there. Yeah. Oh, I'm so stupid. It goes, the bracket goes right here. Oh damn, crap, I need the clips. All right, you learn as you go. So, there we go, put the clips back on. Okay, oh shoot, don't fall. All right, now I got to get the screws out. Man, I'm glad y'all keep me company, YouTube. Shoot, it be lonely out here, guys, sometimes. But, gotta make that paper. Alright, so get my screwdriver. If I can find the screwdriver. Oh, here we go. See, I got my little bit set, so I can go from hex key to screwdriver. Now I need a screwdriver. Yay. Alright. Okay, now I gotta screw it on. Let's screw this bad boy on, guys. This probably gonna be a little annoying. There we go. Yep. Man, this is awesome. I thought this was gonna be hard, but this is easy, guys. Shoot. Oh, you gotta go in there, Mr. Screw. Okay, now this part is trying to be a pain. Okay. Alright. Sorry I'm not talking, but I'm trying to focus on getting the screw to go in. Come on, screw. Everything else went in. Why don't you go in there? Go, go, go. Maybe. God darn it. You don't want to go in there. Trying to give me a hard way to go. Stupid screw. Okay, let's see. Let's see, what am I doing wrong? Okay. So, just gotta keep trying till they go in there. And let's see what we get. Just gotta force it in. Come on, Mr. Screw. You're gonna go. You're gonna get in there. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Oh, there we go. Successful. Alright. Now I gotta get the other one in there. Get the other one there down straight. Yay. I'm ready to put this thing in there now. Oh, shoot. Hell no. Put you get back in there. Alright. Now you gotta place the wire and make sure it don't fall out. Toy. Play with it. Get it here. Okay, that's what it is. There we go. Okay. Now I can start putting it back together again. And that will soon. Oh crap. I'm talking to y'all like y'all still up there. Here we go. We almost concluding the video, guys. Almost done. See, we did this in less than 20 minutes. Ain't that awesome? It's awesome to me. So get the screws back in. What the hell? I'm about to screw something without the hex key. Really? Alright. Put the hexes back in. Yay. Almost done. Yeah, Man, I'm about to play with this thing. Now if I just learn how to tune it, I'll be straight. And, oh shoot. Now that concludes almost. Let me finish this last screw. Oh yeah, and then you gotta put your microphone. Yes. Gotta put your microphone in. This is easy, you just screw it in, so. Mic one, check. Mic one, check on Pinky on the mic. You know what I'm saying? Pinky on the mic. I don't know no rap, but Pinky on the mic, beep beep. And that concludes my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Deuces, time is of the essence. I just made better time over putting my radio in. See y'all next time.